What a nice day. You know what? I think I'm gonna listen to some Sonic songs. Oh, wait. Well, I gotta look cool first. Here you go. Oh, thank you. Well, you could say those don't fit. Alright, well, I guess it's time to go into big form. Oh, alright, that worked. Okay. How am I gonna do the camera? Alright, let me try to get these glasses on. Hey, cameraman. Give me my glasses, please. And put them on me, because you're my maid. Oh, yeah. Let's go clubbing. Oh, yeah. Oh, crap, I'm out of time on my computer. Well, I guess I'm forced to go outside. Oh, that's right. It's nighttime. Because I've spent the whole day playing Fortnite. Oh, well. I really don't know what to do now. Oh. I hate you, Mario. Well, I guess there's no point of me being in my big form. Because I don't want to go clubbing. Alright, well, back to small form. Well, I'm back. Huh. Well, I got nothing to do. Wait, I got an idea. Hey, why am I here? Huh. Yeah. Well, you've done a lot to me in the past, you know. Yeah, but I thought that was behind us, right? No. There you go. Oh, yeah. I'll come back an hour later. Here I lie on my mountain of sketchbooks. Oh, yeah. Because the cameraman's obsessed with drawing me, which is weird. Oh, well. Hey, Knuckles, why are you so big? Because I'm here to kill you. Well, haven't I mentioned how pale you are lately? Oh, but where is it? You missed me, Nux. He's dead. Oh, I'm dead. Yes, my life is fulfilled. The end.